Good morning. We have a very typical tangent and cosine function that shows up on the exam. So let's do a quick analysis and see how we go about solving this one. Alright, so in solving this one, we realize this is really just one chunk times the other one equal to 0. So when a times b equal to 0, the two choices are chunk a equal to 0. So for our case, it's tangent x plus 1 equal to 0, or chunk b equal to 0, which means in our case cosine x minus half equal to 0. Solving each individually, now we have tangent x equal to minus 1, or cosine x equal to half, given the condition x is in 0 and 360 degrees. So from here onward, we need to draw the curves to solving those two individual equations. Here I drew a two-unit circle. Tangent x equal to minus 1. Tangent is minus in the second quadrant and the fourth quadrant. So here's our first angle. Okay, this is the terminating side of this angle. Second one, of course, is still minus 1. It goes all the way around the circle. Okay, so next we'll take a look at the cosine. Cosine equal to half. The trick is that cosine value is the x value of this unit circle. So here's unit circle, here's 1, and then half is over here. Extending x equal to half up and down, you'll see where the terminating angles are. So here's the first angle, and then the second angle is all the way over around here. So let's put everything together and solve this problem now. Alright, so here's the solution. I split the first half equal to 0, which produced this equation, or I split the second half equal to 0, which is this one. Let's solve the tangent first. Since tangent is minus, that means x value and y value are different, and that only happens in this quadrant, second quadrant, or fourth quadrant. So we have two values over here. Now 45 degrees give us the 1 value. Since it's in second quadrant, we have a 90 degrees, which is this 90 degrees, plus the 45. That gives me the second quadrant, and that gives the 135. Or the one that's in the fourth quadrant, it's 360 degrees minus the 45 degrees, which is in the fourth quadrant, give us the 315 degrees. Let's continue on, solve the cosine half. The cosine half is solved similarly. In a unit circle, cosine value is equivalent to the x value. So here is our half. X equal to half, corresponding to the terminal angle of angles that gives the cosine equal to half. Now there's a special triangle 30, 60, and 90 degrees in that the hypotenuse is our radius, which is 1. And since x value is equal to half, and there's a special triangle 30, 60 in that this 30 degrees always looking at half of what the hypotenuse is. So here's the 30, here's the 60. Then our x1 here in this little triangle here, okay, and then we have a 60 degrees. So first angle is 60. Now going around, the reason the second angle ends up here is this angle here, although it goes around, terminating side is here. That angle also gives you cosine equal to half because the x value is equivalent to half as well. To find this angle, what you do is you go around, and you can see this 30-60 degree triangle, special triangle, is the one I hash mark over here. And you can see since this one is 60 degrees over here, 360 minus 60 give us the angle that we're looking for. Alright, I hope this helps. Hi, this is Dr. Pan recording from Tucson, Arizona. Please comment or share this video. Together we can make math easy again. Have a confident day.